Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dish rack Tine clip in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged, broken, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. The bottom rack here. So on our dish rack here, we have these two Tine clips, and you'll see that it's locked into place. So what you need to do is lift up and put this Tine clip into the upright position there, and that will move this piece out of there. And then what you should be able to do is just pull it straight over like so, and it'll unclip from that Tine clip right there. And the same thing on the other side. We're going to lift it up so it sits upright and just give it a little nudge so that it comes unclipped. There we go. And now what we can do to remove the clip is lift it straight up. This piece is clipped in here, so it's clipped onto the Tine of the dish rack. And once you unclip it like that, you'll see that this piece right there comes straight out like that. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement Tine clip. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now to put this in place, we're going to use this U shape here, and again clip it onto the Tine. And then this piece right here sits over this Tine. You're not going to want to put it over in front here, as that just won't do anything. It'll slide back and forth. So you do want to have it right here, and then push straight down and clip that into place. And now with our other Tines, you're going to push that into place and it'll snap in. Same thing on the other side. We're just going to push this back into place, and then what we can do is test it and make sure it goes up and down freely like so. And same thing with this side. We can rotate that up and down and make sure that fits and that's working as intended. Then you can push your dish rack back in, close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.